I'm sorry, my hair is just crazy. I'm sorry. Or just, it's one of those days. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my September Boxy Luxe unboxing. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a makeup subscription box that you get every single month. Boxy Luxe is their seasonal box where it is makeup and lifestyle, and that's $50 a month, I'm pretty sure. And then they do have premium box as well, which is kind of an in-between, and that one is $35. The base box is $25 if I didn't say that. I don't think I said it. But anyways, this is my last box for 2020. I had prepaid for a whole year of Boxycharm, and September 2020 was the last box I prepaid for. So to go on with my no-buy, I am not getting a box in October, November, or December. And I'm not going to be doing a try-on in this because I tried to do the try-on and talk about the products, and I was honestly just stumbling over words. I think I talked about each thing like 20 times because I could just not say anything. So this look right here is using products from my box, and I will just go over the products, do swatches with what I can. But yeah, the video was just a mess, and instead of taking this all off and trying to do it again, you can see how the products look on my face. And I can always show you guys swatches. So if you guys want to see what I got in my box, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the theme for this month is glam vibes only. And on the back it shows all the items and the retail value. I do already have the total written down because I did film this already. Alright, so the first item is $150, and this is a tomato serum from Byroe. I do not know how to say that. B-Y-R-O-E. I have no idea what a tomato serum is. I've never seen anybody talk about it. I've never tried a tomato serum, but like, this packaging is so pretty. It's got the little like twist up where the pump comes out and you just pump the product. It smells good, I think. Like, I don't know. It doesn't smell like tomato, but I don't know what it smells like, but it has a scent to it. It's kind of fresh. I was trying to figure it out in the last video. Super pricey, super excited to try it though. It says tomato serum is a powerful treatment that contains gently exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, and collagen boosting peptides. It transforms your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself while imparting a healthy, luminous glow. Next is the Zion palette from Hip Dot. And I was so excited that I got this in my box because when I saw spoilers on the Boxycharm Instagram, I was in love with the color story. This is so pretty, and I did an all matte eye look with just a shimmer on the inner corner. So this is the only shimmer I used, and it was this shade right here, which is absolutely stunning. So I will do some swatches for you guys. I'll let you see what that shade looks like because I'm obsessed with it. We're gonna do this deep purple shimmer here, right here, because you can see it on my lid. Let's swatch this dark shade at the bottom there. This is what that shimmer on my inner corner looks like. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see that. I'll use it as a face highlight. I might do that, but I don't know. Then we have that shimmery dark purple, which is just so buttery. The lilac-y shade, and then the dark browny purple shade. So I'm definitely excited to keep playing around with it because it does have neutral shades, but it does have those purples, and it has some reddy shades, which I don't really wear reds too much, but it's fun to play with and it works with the color story in here. I think it's an absolutely gorgeous color story, and I love how purples look on my eyes because they make my hazel eyes pop. So the eyeshadow palette retails for $30 and it comes with 15 shades, so that's really not a super expensive palette, but it's not like your drugstore palettes either. It's a very good bang for your buck for how these shadows perform. And it says, conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons, take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich plums of Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. So next is this Persona lip gloss in the shade Honey. When I say I'm obsessed, I mean I'm obsessed. Because one, look at this color. I'm going to actually put a little bit more on. And it's just, it's so comfortable. It's not sticky at all. It doesn't do any like weird stringy stuff when you smack your lips together. It is so comfortable. And I do have a face shield now for work, so I can actually wear makeup and you can see it without it getting all over my mask. So This is definitely something that I think I'm going to be wearing a lot at work. The gloss retails for $16, so that's not really a bad price at all either. It's a little bit higher up there, but it's not like a $20, $30 lip gloss. And it says, remember the first time you wore a lip gloss and how it made you feel? Sultry, effortless, and instantly refreshed. We took that magic feeling of a gloss, eliminated the tacky, glittery gooiness, and added nourishing oils to create a comfortable, high shine formula that you'll actually want to wear. And they're 100% right. I want to wear this all the time. Next is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo in the shade Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule, and it's actually what I'm wearing as my blush today. As you can see from how they look on my cheeks, the shades are going to be a little bit too dark for me to use as a highlight, but I did mix them together to get to this blush shade right here, and I did blend it out a little bit with my powder brush, but super pretty, and I'm going to swatch them for you. So this is Ginger Binge and this is Moscow Mule, and like they are so pretty. I wish I could pull these off as highlights, but I'm glad I at least got shades that I could use, because some of Fenty highlighters are not really shades that I could wear. So yeah, I'm definitely excited for this. And later retails for $36, and it says light up where you want when you want with weightless long wear cream powder hybrid highlighters that range from subtle day glow to insanely supercharged in solos and expertly paired duos that instantly melt into skin and blend with almost zero effort. Is this gradual tanning lotion from Luxe, and it retails for $33, and it says the Gradual is a lightweight body moisturizer with a gradual glow. This revolutionary oil lotion hybrid has become a cult favorite, melting into skin upon application and delivering natural buildable color in just 1 hour. And normally when I do tan, I do use a tanning mousse, so it does go on already like tan and stuff. So definitely excited to try it as a lotion. I wonder if I can just apply it with my hands instead of using a mitt with it. So definitely excited to try this to see if I get a more natural, even looking tan. Next is something I've actually tried already, and I got this in a FabFitFun box before, and it's the Cuccio Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand Body Wash. This is just a very overpriced hand soap in my opinion. It was nice. I use soap every day, you know, we just keep it in our bathroom. At least we did with the other one, just like we do with any other like hand soap. So it's something that I was going to have to repurchase anyways, but I just buy like the 99-cent, 88-cent, whatever it is, soft soap. So yeah, it's nice to have, smells good, but I don't see how this thing retails for $39.95. But it says, a new shower, cleansing body and hand wash ritual made to calm the senses. Using the finest ingredients, Epsom salt helps muscles feel reinvigorated after the most intensive workouts. Pro Vitamin B5 Shea Butter help to keep your skin feeling moisturized, made with soothing and calming lavender oil. So maybe I need to try this in a bath after leg day specifically, because I always like kill my legs on leg day. So maybe, but like you could just get like a bag of Epsom salt from like Ulta, Target, Walmart for like less than 10 bucks I think. So I'm gonna stick to that because that I know works really well. So yeah, I don't know. For 8 ounces, almost $40, this is just overpriced soap in my opinion. Another insanely overpriced product that I have already tried as well from FabFitFun, but I did enjoy it, and it is the 111, 111, 11, whatever it is, 3 ones skin. And this is the face mask that makes it look like you put bologna on your face, but oh my gosh, my skin loves it. It just sinks into my skin so nicely. My skin feels hydrated. It just feels fantastic after using this. But oh my gosh, this is so pricey. Like, it retails for $135. And it says, the ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. And the item is this Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, and I'm obsessed with the smell of this. And it sinks into your skin so quickly, so nicely, and like I'm still going like this on my hands because I put this on when I first filmed this, and my hands still feel super soft, super hydrated, and I'm obsessed. And That retails for $36, so it's definitely pricey for a hand lotion, but I'm going to enjoy using this in the colder months. It says, treat your hands to a light but luxuriously rich hand cream that helps keep skin and cuticles healthy and protected from the elements. This best-selling formula is made with nutrient-rich Dead Sea water and soothing witch hazel, formulated for daily use to elevate and lock in skin's moisture. Alright, so going through Boxycharm's, page and everything, I was kind of worried on what I was going to get in my box because I've seen some really, some products that I'm like, I'm just not going to use. The only other thing that I saw in the spoilers and just throughout their page that I might have been interested in was that brush set, just because I'm obsessed with makeup brushes. And even if they don't work the best for makeup application, I always, I've got a plethora of makeup brushes that I'll use when it comes to my body paints and stuff. So my brush collection is insane. And I kind of would have been excited about that as well. But I'm definitely excited with all the items I got in my box. My box's retail value was $475.95. That is an insane price tag, given 2 of the items themselves were over the $100 mark. So that definitely brought the value of the box up. But I'm definitely excited for all the items except for this one, but this is just something that I would have gone through anyways, like hand soap, we use it every day, so it's something I would have bought, but I would have definitely bought a very cheap alternative to this. But everything else I'm definitely super excited to have, super excited to try out. So I think this is a very great way for me to end my 1 year of Boxycharm. And I'll definitely keep an eye out to see what is coming out in other boxes to see if I do want to sign up for Boxycharm in 2021. If I do decide to keep Boxycharm, I don't think I'm going to continue with Luxe, but I might do the base box and the premium box because some of the items in premium look really, really good from what I've seen so far. So yeah, that was it for my Boxy Luxe unboxing for September. Let me know what you guys think of the items I got in my box. Let me know what you guys got in your box if you got Boxycharm. And if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and turn on the little bell notifications so you guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!